The things we need sound for are jumping, using abilities, if your game has that, and yeah, that's all. People will be able to see stuff happening on screen, so they don't need a sound to tell them that it's happening. I mean, what are we trying to do here? Be immersive? Captivate the player into a promised experience? Make them feel like the world we have hand-designed and poured months or even years into is a tangible place with character and personality? Nah bro, forget that. Plus, think of how many sounds that would be if we actually took the time to consider everything on the screen and asked ourselves, what sound would that make? We would have to spend more than 15 minutes adding sound effects. Ridiculous. And most likely there are not enough random objects next to your desk that you can smash together at a static-inducing volume to even make such a variety of sounds. I mean, there are websites with tons of sounds that can be downloaded for free, but we're not going to talk about that.